Welcome to this tutorial on how to change currency in TradingView. In this video, we will walk you through the simple steps needed to adjust the currency settings for your TradingView charts and indicators. This feature is especially useful if you are trading in a different currency or if you simply want to view your assets in a currency of your choice. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Once you are in the main dashboard, select the chart that you want to adjust. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, located at the top of the chart area. Click on this icon to access the chart settings menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Symbol tab. Here, you will find an option for currency settings. Next, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Currency. Click on it to reveal a list of available currencies. Scroll through the list and select the currency you would like to use for your chart. After selecting your desired currency, make sure to save your settings by clicking on the OK button at the bottom of the Settings menu. This change will apply to your current chart and any future charts you create. Finally, take a moment to verify that your chart correctly reflects the currency you have selected. You should now be able to analyze assets and trades in your preferred currency. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy trading. Bye.